to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing slime pet peeves and slime satisfying. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe on my videos. Just like all my videos and subscribe to my channel. So other channels you might want to check out before we start this video is going to be Michaela Goya Cruz, Skylar Age 9, but his is really Skylar Harvey, and Aaliyah Morton. You might want to I'm giving you guys a heads up that you might see me on Aaliyah Morton's channel, because we used to make videos together, like I'm featuring. The other one, here are their musicallys. Aaliyah Morton's is the Flower Girl, XX, the Flower Girl, XX. It's gonna be a red rose, and then the other one, Michaela's is just Michaela Goya Cruz again, and then the other one is Skylar H9 on Musically, if you guys have it. So let's get started with the video. So here we go. So the first one, the satisfying one, is going to be where you do the waffle. Oh, that is so satisfying. And then you go up. It makes like a bubble. There you go. And then you do that. And then you do that. That is really satisfying to me. So let me get the slime off. I have got all the things off. So the next one is going to be where you make a bubble. Oh, that sucks. Take two. So you're going to make a bubble. There we go. Then you're going to take this, go down, and it pops, and it's like really satisfying. You got like this little egg piece, or whatever color yours is. Mine is like an egg piece because it's white. Of course. I feel like dyeing it, but I'll do that in another video. Okay. So yeah. You guys may hear music. If you guys can tell me what this song is, then if you go to my school, you guys can get slime. I was just being quiet so you guys could hear it and like guess. There you go. So now the next, like when you make a bubble, that, and like pop it. So the next satisfying one is going to be where you poke it and here it's like a little loud. Okay guys, so now the next satisfying one is the twirl. Most of you guys should know the twirl if you guys are like slime alcoholics. So yeah. By the way guys, I want to give a shout out to Michaela Goya Cruz, Simply Nail Logical. I know I'll never be the best YouTuber as her, but she's so hilarious. I watch all her videos and I've subscribed to her because she's like really funny to me, and she's like really artistic. So I think she should be noticed for that. She should like have her own nail salon, and that's how you do the twirl. So the next one is doing a bubble. I know you guys like heard the word bubble 1,000 times, and then you go blow it. And then it becomes like a donut. Oh. You can keep blowing it. Okay, so find. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm back. So yeah, here we go. The next one is where like your slime spread out. And this. Guys, sometimes you guys can't force it because it just makes the slime flat. So you take the middle. The thing is like all set. You take the middle. Like you take the middle, right? And then you take the top of it. Then it's gonna like scrunch up, and then you just let it fall, like if it's toothpaste or something like that. So yeah. And you could drop it and do whatever you want. So it's like a mini twirl, but with a little bit of slime. So yeah. Okay, so yeah, let's go with the next. You have now entered the pet peeves way. I don't know what that was, guys. Don't ask me. Okay. Okay, so yeah. The first pet peeve is going to have to do again with the waffle maker. You guys remember what the waffle maker was to me? This. You poke down and it doesn't stick. And then like when it does stick, it like strings out like string cheese. And then when it does stick and it doesn't do string cheese style, you let go, it doesn't make a bubble. That has also happened to me. Get the rest of the slime off. So anyway, I got the slime off. Like when it doesn't stick and does make a bubble, like this. It's probably not gonna make a bubble, but I'm gonna try one more time until I get it right. Yeah, and it makes a bubble, and then you just do that again, and it pops. You should just do that. So yeah. The next one is going to be one finger pokers. That ticks me off. I like. Okay, the next one is going to be like really aggressive slime players. So here we go.